Right now I'm replacing the actuator on the window, because when I was doing my mirrors, the middle of the actuator broke off. So I have a new one here that I'll be installing. It's only 3 of these, Torx. Let me see. I can't even see the Torx bit. I think it's like a 10, Torx 10. It's only 3 of them that you have to take out, and it's one here, it's one here, one here, and one here. And you take all 3 of those out. Krista, a little help. Take those 3 out. Those 3 screws out. And then you take these out, the connections. There's a tab here on the top. Press that down, and it comes out. And this right here has tabs on the side. One on this side, one on the other side. And that time comes off, and then all the actuator's off. Now put the new actuator on. Put this in. Snaps right on both sides. And then you plug in the top. It snaps right in. Okay. And then you line up the holes. Put the screws back in. That Torx screws. This one. That goes here on the bottom. That's it. You replace the actuator. This plugs into the mirror. Just snap the new mirror on. See, when you put the flathead, you'll be putting it in from this side of the mirror, and you'll be coming up between this tab, and then you just put the flathead here, and you turn the flathead, and it'll pop the mirror off through here, through these grooves they have. It'll pop right off. So right now I'm gonna put the connections on the mirror warmer. Snap the mirror back on. There you go. And that's it. The mirror's replaced in the actuator. So let me show you that the mirror works. It's definitely a lot quieter. It's definitely a lot quieter. It's not making that clicking sound anymore. But that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And don't forget to subscribe. If you want to know how to take out the mirror, just check out my other video showing how to replace the mirror lens, and then you replace the actuator from there, from that part of the video, and then you move on to this one. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to subscribe to my Instagram and my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.